What's up guys, Sean here. So in my previous videos, some of you guys were commenting to do a face reveal. So I don't actually think my channel has grown that much to do a face reveal. But then this is how I look. So just so you guys know, this is how I look. And with that said, we'll get to today's topic. So today I'm going to show you guys Libre Office. So Libre Office is an alternative to Microsoft Office. It's free and open source, and it really comes in handy for those who don't want to pay money for Microsoft 365 or who want to pay money for the Microsoft Office because it costs a lot. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how to download and use it. So first we'll start by downloading LibreOffice. To do that, we'll open our web browser and we'll type in LibreOffice and then we'll click enter, and then you'll see this option libreoffice.org, and then we can check this website out. Or so I'll just click download LibreOffice, and then you'll see the current latest version, which is LibreOffice 7.0.0, and then we click download, and then it'll just take a few minutes to download. And as you guys can see, the download is started. Once you have downloaded and installed LibreOffice, you see this icon here and you can click that, and that will open up the screen. So you see options here like writer, document, calc, spreadsheet, and impress presentation and all. So these are just alternatives for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So we'll just open up writer document to see how it looks. And as you guys can see, the layout is completely different from what Microsoft Office layout looks like, and it'll take a few days getting used to this layout and the functions and all. But overall, with over 2 months of using it, I can suggest that you use it. I can recommend that you use this. And with that said, I will wind up this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is Sean signing off.